Good morning mga ka-OFW around the world and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you will notify every time I upload new videos. Thank you. Ngayong araw na ito ay wala naman po tayong gaanong pinuntahan dahil pinuntahan lang po natin ang aking jowa sapagkat ngayon po ang kanyang huling araw sapagkat siya ay pupunta na sa kanyang duty sa Damam. Good morning guys! Ngayong araw na ito ay papasyalan natin ang aking jowa at isasama ko kayo. Oh, wag mainggit, walang mga jowa dyan ha. Sapagkat ngayong araw na ito ang huling araw ng aming pagbabanding dahil siya po ay pupunta na sa kanyang duty sa Damam. So, guys, tara, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin at surpresahin natin si jowa. At dahil dyan, on the way na tayo, wala siyang kaalam-alam na pupuntahan natin siya. Okay guys? See you later! Just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Didn't come here for you. You killing the mood, oh you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. You killing the mood, oh you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand. Napansin ko lang guys habang ako ay syempre nabiyahe. Ang gaganda pala ng ano dito, ng building. Hindi ko kasi napapansin to kasi usually gabi kami lumalabas. So ngayong umaga ako lumabas. Napakaganda pala ng mga building dito. Ngayon ko lang napagtanto na may matataas din pala. Akala ko kasi walang matataas na building dito. Look naman guys, oh, para kang nasa Makati. Makati ang feeling kasi ang gaganda ng building. At ang kalsada, syempre maluwag pa. Wala pang traffic kasi maaga. Kasi around 6 o'clock pa lang dito. So, papunta na tayo guys. Sana ma-surprise na siya sa akin. See you later. Bye!
Didn't come here for you, dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you, dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get
Isa nga pala guys, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, ngayon lang ako nag-effort na puntahan yung jowa ko or sa mga nagiging ex ko. Actually, kapag gusto naming magkita, either magmi-meet kami halfway or susunduin niya ako sa trabaho ko. So, ewan ko kung bakit ako nag-effort. Siguro nga, love ko na siya. Charis! Pero love ko talaga yung taong yun. So, eto na guys, andito na tayo malapit na tayo sa Kingdom Hospital. Actually, Kingdom Hospital na to guys. Isa sa pinakamagandang hospital dito sa Riyadh or sa Saudi. At syempre, medyo expensive din kasi napakaganda naman talaga ng service nila. Syempre, makikita mo dyan ang mga kabayan nating nurses. Napakaraming kabayan dyan na nagtatrabaho ng nurses or related sa medical field. So, halina kayo guys. Maya-maya ulit ha. Kayo po ba ay excited na? Kasi ako excited na namang madiligan. Charis! See you later guys. Bye!
Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Hey, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. Sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life.
At malapit na nga tayo guys sa bahay ng jowa. So hanggang dito na lang muna. Hindi ko na muna kayo isasama doon kasi syempre nakakahiya namang makikita nyo pa yung mga gagawin namin, di ba? Medyo personal na ito dahil syempre isang buwan kaming hindi magkikita. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi ko kayo maisasama. Guys, pakitapos ng video. Maraming salamat. See you later at see you sa aking mga ibang videos na lalabas. Keep safe and God bless. Always remember, be a responsible OFW kung ikaw man ay saan naroroon. Salamat! Bye!
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah.
Hanggang dito na lang muna po ang video natin sa araw na ito. Salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa araw na ito. Paalala po sa lahat ng OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia or saan mang panig ng mundo. Mag-ingat, magdasal. Mahalin ang sarili at pamilya sa Pilipinas. Muli, ako po si Sumi Kabungkan na laging nagpapaalala, be a responsible OFW. Walang susuko sa anumang pagsubok at hamon sa buhay. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Keep safe and God bless everyone.